CadConnect manage product versions by seamlessly integrating them into the familiar Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central workflow. It simplifies the handling of production bill of materials versions and routing versions, ensuring consistency and efficiency. With CadConnect, manufacturers can achieve greater accuracy, traceability, and efficiency in their product lifecycle management. We begin by demonstrating how Business Central manages versions of the production bill of materials. For example, product number 4452 currently has the active version A, and it has an additional version on the product. The version AB can be viewed by selecting Versions. Next, we import a new product into CadConnect, including the version codes. The product and its components will automatically inherit these version codes and dates. During this process, CadConnect seamlessly transfers the version codes to Business Central, enabling the creation of new versions of items, production BOMs, and routing. Uniquely, CadConnect also facilitates the creation of item versions, a feature exclusive to the platform. In the item list, you can see the applied version codes clearly displayed. Now the item is certified and ready for use. So we will create a new version by updating the calculation, and then we can have another version added. Lastly, we will show how to locate these versions of the CadConnect and get the complete list of items. We can locate the full list of all the versions. Click on Item Version and you'll get the overview.